Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on your Toyota 86. First, gather all the necessary tools like a spark plug socket, ratchet, extensions, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and ensure proper component handling. You'll also need new spark plugs and some anti-seize compound. Locate the engine's spark plugs, typically under the ignition coils, which are usually visible on top of the engine. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now, let's get to the plugs. Begin by disconnecting the negative terminal of your car's battery for safety. Next, carefully remove any engine covers that obstruct access to the ignition coils. Unplug the electrical connectors from each coil, then unbolt and remove the coils themselves. With the coils out of the way, use a 14mm spark plug socket with an extension to reach down into the spark plug wells. Gently loosen each spark plug by turning counterclockwise. With the old plugs removed, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug to prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Carefully thread each new spark plug into its well by hand to avoid cross-threading. Once hand-tight, use your torque wrench to tighten the spark plugs to the manufacturer's specified torque, typically between 25 to 30 Newton meters for a 14mm plug in an aluminum head. This ensures a proper seal without over-tightening. Once all new spark plugs are torqued, reinstall the ignition coils and reconnect their electrical connectors. Ensure all connections are secure. Then, reconnect the negative terminal of your battery. Start your engine to confirm everything is running smoothly. You should notice improved performance and fuel efficiency with your new spark plugs. Before you go, remember to check the video description. You'll find a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker, perfect for bringing your space to life with music and smart home control. Plus, we often have other great deals and resources there to help you with your car maintenance and more. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.